Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to register on the Blockman Go app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go app on your home screen. Now open it. Here you can find this option. Now tap on it. Now to register yourself, tap on to the Register Immediately button. Now from here you can register with these types of accounts. Now choose one. I will choose with Apple. Then tap on to Continue button. The app will immediately ask for your Face ID and it will sign in automatically. Just like this. After few seconds, you will be signed in on your Blockman Go account and it will be registered. Now you have been registered on the Blockman Go account. And that's it. This is how you're gonna register your account with the Blockman Go app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.